let's talk about how to write queries for embedded documents. Let's say you are building a food delivery application, just like we did have a order collection in the previous video. Let's say you want to embed our delivery schema or delivery object into the order. You have designed your MongoDB collection or MongoDB model schema. You decided you're gonna place the delivery object inside the order collection or inside the order object. Here is a delivery schema, delivery object. Delivery will have address, street, zip code, city, and the state. What you have to do, you gotta write query for this one, find all orders for a specific city. Now the delivery object is inside the order collection, just like here. We have a delivery object. You can see that this is the order document. We have status, country, and customer ID. And you have to write the query for find all orders for a specific city, find all orders with zip code less than 3000. You need to write queries for these three tasks. That's your task. You gotta use the embedded document query. If you want to use MongoDB documentation for embedded documents, you can do that. Let's say if you want to write query for embedded document, you use the dot notation. I can say db.getCollection. Here I can say orders. Here I can use the find method. I want to find all orders of specific city. You will use the string here. You use the dot notation. I want to apply on city. That's it. Find all orders for specific city. Let's say I want to see the orders for this city, LHR. So I can run that. I think my MongoDB is not running. Now I'm gonna connect with my local host. If you're using cloud system, you can connect with your cloud or MongoDB Atlas. Connection successful. Now I can see all the orders of specifically this city. Right now we have only single order. Let's say if I create another order, this time I can say pending, and zip should be 2307. Now you should see two orders. You can see that I got two orders. You have to write the query for this one too, db.getCollection, orders, find method. You can also apply like any query operator with dot notation, delivery dot zip. This time I would like to access the zip, and I can use the less than operator. Here you will use the less than 3000. Please give me all the orders with delivery zip code is less than 3000. Right now I think I have 203 2003 2303, and I will get two orders. Here is an issue. I only get 2303. What is this? Now it looks good. So we got two records, this one 2003 2303. You can also use the AND operator with embedded documents. Let's say I can copy that query and let me comment that. Find all orders with zip code is less than 3000 and state belongs to Punjab. So I can add delivery.zip and I can use delivery.state. It should be Punjab. So if I change the state of this order, it should give only one record. Here you can see that. This is how you will use the dot notation to access the embedded documents.